So I've been digital and affiliate marketing for about a year and a half now. And one thing I know for sure, when you start getting hate, it usually means you're making it, which I am. I'm doing quite well. So as far as becoming an affiliate for your bills goes, it's easy, but it's in depth and it takes a lot of my one-on-one time. So if you haven't done the fast tracks, or better yet, the roadmap 3.0, and you want me to help you become an affiliate to your bills, I don't think I'm going to bother anymore unless I know you're serious. If you show me that you've done at least some sort of training and you have any idea what you're even talking about, I'll show you that one. Or you can go into my store and try to figure it out yourself. But I don't like to waste my time with haters and people that think they know something and know absolutely nothing and waste my time, because it takes a lot of my time. I don't mind doing it to people that actually want to help. But the people that don't, forget it. You want to know how to do that? Prove to me that you want to. Okay? Bye for now.